Assalamu alaikum. I am Numan Shukat and today I am going to talk to you about this lockdown situation we find ourselves in and what are the measures we can adopt to make this time productive for ourselves. So everyone was busy with their own lives and suddenly a bomb drops on our heads and the next thing we know is that we are living in a corona-fied world. As they say that every day is not a Sunday, but under current circumstances, every day is a Sunday. And when this thing gets over, one who would have spent this time by learning a new skill would be far of better than those who would have spent this time by sitting just idle in their own houses. So, what are my suggestions to make this time productive? Here are these. First of all, I am going to learn the skill of scientific writing. As I'm a student of MPhil microbiology, it is imperative for me to learn this skill because I would be requiring to write synopsis and thesis in order to complete my degree. So I am already on board with my mentors and with my fellows who know how to write it scientifically, and I am already working on this. Now, the second thing, a habit I would like to adopt, that is reading books. By reading books, it just widens your perspective and it changes your mindset altogether. So I am just implementing the recommendations provided by our program managers and program associates. They have recommended us certain books, and I would be reading those books. Now, third thing, the thing which I would want to eradicate from my routine, that is complacency. Oh boy, I suffer from it every time. Whenever I set a goal for myself, this thing, complacency things comes in the way of that goal. So I would like to eradicate it during this time of lockdown. How I'll be doing this? I'll be doing this with the help of my family members who will keep a check on myself, and whenever I will fall prey to this complacency, they can just tighten my noose. So these were my suggestions to make this lockdown situation productive. What are yours?